Hello children. Today we are going to learn about few wild animals. Where do wild animals live? Yes, wild animals live in the forest. Okay, let's see the animals one by one. What is this? Yes, lion. Lion is a strong animal. It is the king of the forest. It eats the flesh of other animals. Elephant. Elephant is the biggest animal. It has two small eyes and a long trunk. It likes to eat plants and fruits. Monkey. Monkey lives on trees. It has a long tail. It jumps from tree to tree easily. It eats leaves, fruits and vegetables. Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. It has a long neck. It eats only plants. Zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes on its body. It eats only plants. Shall we write name of the animals? Lion. L I O N. Lion. Elephant. E L E P H P H A N T. Elephant. Elephant. Next animal, monkey. M O N K E Y. Monkey. Next animal, giraffe. G I R A F F E. Giraffe. Giraffe. Next, zebra. Z E B R A R A. Zebra. Zebra. Z E B R A. Zebra. Children, we shall read once again name of the animals. Lion, elephant, monkey, giraffe, zebra. Dear parents, kindly make your child to write name of the animals in their note and send it through the class teacher WhatsApp. Bye children.